Today I'm going to be creating a Discord bot in Python completely in browser. You could code this on your local machine if you want, but I'm going to be coding on Replit, which is a online IDE, and it makes it really simple. I don't need everything I'm going to be doing today is in this Chrome browser. I'm going to be following this tutorial link. I'll leave this in the description. It makes it very easy. And it was last updated August 14th. But uh, it's November 2nd right now, and it's still up to date. So to start, uh, you're gonna want to have your own Discord server that you're using, and you want to be an admin so that you could add the bot and authorize it. Yeah, create a server and channel. Now going to the Discord development website. Here are some previous bots I made. I'll make a new one. I'll call it like party bot. Who cares, Create, just like that. So this is the bot. After you name it, you want to go to bot. Step 4, go to bot and add the bot. Token, you're going to reset. Here's a token. We'll need this for later. I'm just going to paste it right here so I could have it for later. I don't know where this is. It might not be there. So then you go down the privilege gateway intents. You could just check all of them on, or for this tutorial you'll only need the message content, but I think all of them are fine. So I'll save. And then you need to invite your bot to the server. So you can go to OAuth to URL generator, select bot, and then now you want to select the permissions. So you need send message for this. What does he use? Oh, he uses a lot. I'll just copy that. Basically everything in this text permissions. And then read message and view channels. Okay, that's pretty good. Then you'll have the generated URL, which you could copy and then paste it right here. This will open a link to add the bot to your server. So this is the server I'm using. As seen right here, developer. This is the server name, so I just click developer and continue. Make sure all these are enabled and authorize. Okay. Now you can see that my bot here is added, so it will be available to use, but it's still offline. Now we need to get to the point where we start coding. So if you want to do this on your local machine, you could just easily do this. Install the Discord Python library. But this is the main chunk of code that we're going to use. The way I do it is in Replit. So if you go to replit.com, you can just make an account really quick. Just log in with Google or GitHub or whatever. Then you'll be here. You could create one in Python. Call it whatever you want. Party bot. And then create. Then you'll have your Python main file right here. Then this code, I can just copy it over. And then that token that I had earlier, I'll paste it in here instead of what I had. The Discord library here will have a red line. I think the Discord library isn't already installed in Replit, so when you click run, I think it'll install it at first, and then you have to run it again for it to work properly. So here it is. After running it, this is the console. You could see what happens. Currently installing. I guess I could go over the code. This is the intents that we checked earlier. I'll go back to the bot. These 3 privileged gateway intents, that's what this is referring to. So you're setting them all to giving them all permissions. Oh, okay. So it installed the Discord library. That's why the red went away, and it's currently running. So it says we have logged in as party bot, whatever. So if I go back to my Discord, there it is. The party bot is online, and I could go to any channel. What did I write? Here. So this default code says if message starts with hi, then it'll respond with hello. So if I write hi, it responds with hello, which is pretty cool. So this is like the most basic bot that you can make. I'm gonna continue going through this and add some extra stuff. So get text response. You could send an image through the bot. I'm not gonna do that right now. What else could I do? Upload an image. I'll try some other things. Like if message ping await message channel Paul. I might have to rerun it for that to apply. Yeah. So I'll stop, rerun it. Now we're good. There we go. So this is like the most basic Discord bot that you could create. What's important to know is these intents. So going back, so there's message content intents. It basically gives the bot access to message content. This is for server members. Presence, I don't really know. You could probably read more and find out what that is. But that's what this code does. When you have Discord intents all, then all are enabled. But if you only want to use some of them, then you could have Discord.intents message content and have that approved. Here, when the Discord bot is ready, it displays a message, which is pretty cool. And this is a function that it's called onMessage, which means when you send a message, it detects that, and then it goes through these if statements to come up with a reply. That's basically it. Pretty simple. That's all.